Good morning, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening. I always have a problem when it's evening, when it's morning. Morning is before 12, and evening is after. No, it's after 6 p.m. because we have good afternoon, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, my name is Peter, and sorry for my English. This is my first time streaming in English. But yeah, I would like to try, and if somebody don't understand me or doesn't understand me, so I'm sorry for that. But I will try. I will try every week talk in English here in Open Source Day. So rules looks like that. We have 1 hour that I will try to spend on working on public projects. What does it mean public? It means that projects should be published on GitHub with MIT license. And of course, tasks should be defined. And if I will have a problem with task, I will ask other maintainers or authors of this project to elaborate what is about that issue or pull request. I don't know. So yeah, here today I have a plan to focus on two projects. The first one, maybe I will share my screen. It will be better for you to see what is my plan for today. 1 second. Here. Yeah. Okay. One more thing before that. You can use chat or panel section, panel comments. I don't know where you watch this video or streaming, so you can use chat, and if you write on this chat something, I can add this information here on stream. So yeah, we can talk each other. I love talking with you. If I have a if you have any question, please ask. I will try to answer for any question that you ask. Okay, so yeah, the first thing is today I will finish my previously task which I create in Solidarity project. So what is the Solidarity? Solidarity is the project that it helps you to check your environment. So you can imagine a situation that you have a fresh operating system after installation, and you would like to check requirements that somebody defined. So maybe it is good for workshops if you are administrator of I don't know, maybe some kind of company which organize workshops, and you as administrator, you should, after each workshop, you should prepare computers for an upcoming workshop. Yeah, so you should reset operating system or reinstall, I don't know, and install requirement software. So because you should do that always between workshops, because every workshops had different requirements. Yeah, so in my experience, I have that when I talk in administrators in my past, in previous year, off topic, in previous year, I was a full-time trainer of JavaScript and other front-end and Node.js technologies. yeah, so when I talk administrators, when I talk to administrator, I ask him why he do that always after each workshop, because licenses of software are oh, I forgot one word. Sorry, I use D key to find. Alliances of software allow that this software could be used only for that workshop, and yeah, you should remove this. You should remove software that is not required for upcoming workshops. Yeah, so this is only an example when you can use a solidarity. I use Solidarity when I organize workshops on Warsaw.js in Warsaw.js community. This is the local community here in Warsaw in Poland that we focus only on JavaScript. Yeah, and we use Solidarity to send attendees a few days before workshops that they can check requirement software in their computers. Yeah, so we define. I can show you github.com Warsaw.js and workshop. Where is workshop setup? This is the repository where we define basic. Sorry, this is in Polish, but I can tell you that this is a configuration requirement configuration. So text editor, browser, Node.js, and npm, and Git installation. And next, you can verify your setup after run these 4 commands. Yeah, so first command create temp directory. Second one, fetch .solidarity JSON. This is a file with solidarity configuration. So this is JSON when we define requirements. Yeah. So one of the requirements is Git, and Git should be available from CLI, so from terminal. Binary name is Git, and version in semantic versioning it will be higher than major 2. Yeah, and GitHub connection, so we can define SSH command that will not return errors. Google Chrome as a main browser, and here you can define configuration per platform. Yeah, so when you have macOS, so location to Google Chrome will be different than when you have Windows system, and so on. Yeah, so and after that you can run Solidarity via npx, so you don't download npx so we don't download Solidarity as a project dependency. This is only a tool for one liner. Yeah, so when you run Solidarity here, you never run Solidarity anymore. So this is not a typical dependency that you can install as a global dependency. So after you install global dependency, this dependency will be always available for you. Yeah, and after that, we remove this temp file, and that's all. And one thing that I create, yeah. So this is the main project, Solidarity. What will be the license? Yeah, this license it's MIT, so everything correct. That I told you. I always focus on MIT projects, and here you can see how Solidarity works. That you can see that this is the report. Whoa! I would like to run my my tool for select something. And here you can see this is the report of Solidarity. So Solidarity works like that. That's check one by one everything that you can define in configuration, and after that this report, it will be generated and prints on standard output, of course in terminal. Oh, okay, thanks. Yeah, and one thing that I would like to add to Solidarity, you can see this is a rule that you can use tilde. I don't know what is tilde in English. Tilde. Yeah. And you can use tilde here when you define path to directory. Yes, because here when you define where is this file? Here where is this? Probably I don't use it because it doesn't support. But if you define okay, this is an example that I will add here in tests to check that I can check that you have SSH keys generated before. So of course, when you would like to connect to GitHub, you should generate public and private SSH key. Yeah? So you should. I would like to check that you have these keys, and I figure out different strategy that I run SSH and try to connect to GitHub, but it is this is a fallback, not a proper solution that I would like to have. So I create a pull request when I try to support tilde here in path, and one thing. This is a pull request from 1st May 2019. So yeah, we have the first anniversary of this pull request. And story is like that. We have a problem with this pull request that on Travis we have an error. Yeah, this is an error. You can see screen. Yeah. Please write in comments that everything from technical perspective is okay. So my voice and other stuff, so video and so on. Okay, I will wait for your comments. Okie dokie. Probably everything it's okay, but yeah, maybe someone write a comment that everything is okay, because now I will focus on main part. So okay, probably nobody understand me, but yeah, I will continue in my English. Okay, so this is a problem that on Travis you can see that this project is used 3 different continuous integration services. So yeah, at first one first is Travis continuous integration. Everything's okay from Anya. Okay, great. So yeah, you can see that I can add comment here on the stream, on the live stream. Yeah, thanks, Anya. Okay, so yeah, next one, it is strange. I don't know what it is a service. I don't use it. But probably this is a continuous integration. And semaphore CI, this is another continuous integration. And here we have 2 paths tests and one it doesn't pass. So why what is a problem? And someone 1 week ago explained that if that error is because when Yarn install dependencies, he updates package, not package JSON, but Yarn log file, and if we run Yarn on the server, on the CI, that this Yarn log file is changed. So yeah, this generate error. So solution is that we should rerun Yarn locally and push changes to log file. So yeah, I switched to my terminal. What is the current branch? Yeah, resolve dir. This is a current branch. Yeah, okay. So I can install Yarn. Why I should install Yarn? Because I add new package to package JSON. Yeah, so I should refresh Yarn log file or package log. I don't know what will be the files with logs. Yeah, Yarn log, and we have package log. No, we don't have that. Okay, so yeah, Yarn log is a file that should be updated. Okay, 47 seconds. What happened? Yeah, Yarn log, it's changed. Here we have one other change. What is the change? Yeah, it's only formatting. So I don't know why I have this. Maybe I open file and use my shortcut to reformat whole file. So yeah, I will revert this file because it's not required. Okay, and now I will update depth revision and push. This is my shortcuts: git status, and git add, git commit, and git push. Yeah, I had this shortcuts because I do a lot of work every day, and if you always use git add and so on, you have more often chance to make a typo in command, so you generate an error, you waste your time, and so on. Okay, so go back to pull request. I refresh. Probably number of commits will be increase 1. Okay, yeah, and here we can see that Yarn log was changed. Okay, so yeah, something was changed. I don't know that this is the latest version of resolve dir. We can check this on npm. What is the latest version? Yeah, current version is 1.0.101. So yeah, this is the same version here. So okay, so we can now not answer, but make a comment, because author of this repo, or maybe maintainer, told that this pull request will be merged if I update log file, if everything with this pull request will be fine. So if unit test or tests are passed, the new package will be released. Yeah. So I hope that maintainer release this new package, and I'm really happy that we can do this together here on the live stream. Yeah, and okay, I will be switch to another project that I have. See how can I help them, but we go back a few seconds before finished today live streaming to see what is the status of this continuous integration services. Wow, the status, whoa, it's so quicky, so speed, so quick. That's okay. So we have one problem, but I don't know what is the problem. Okay, so yeah, maybe this maintainer can help me, so I can ask him. I updated yarn log file in way yarn for what this previous man told. So yeah, what told. We can merge this. No, we cannot merge this PR because we have a problem with a new service that is used, code conf patch. I don't know what is the service. If you have experience about code conf, please told me that what is the problem. So probably 30% of diff hit. I don't know what is the problem. Merging will increase coverage. The diff coverage is, I don't know. Okay, I have one question. No. Please report me at least one issue or give me a pull request. Okay, so new project. Okay, so I will save your project, Konrad, on my list that I can help in future. Thanks a lot. I go back to this comment, how we can resolve that issue. Okay, and one thing before publish, I always check my English comments in Grammarly. I recommend Grammarly as a tool for check your words and other grammar stuff that we have when we write someone. Yeah, you can see that at the beginning I have a sentence how we can resolve that issue, and Grammarly convert that to how can we resolve that issue. Yeah. Okay. So probably it will be the end. And next project that I would like to focus is the project by Commandeer, and he creates some issues, but I don't know what is the project, what we have here. Yeah, so this is the super opinionated library bundler using rollup, Babel, and Babel and Babel minify. Okay, if you watch previously, if you doesn't watch previously live streaming, that in last Sunday I create my own module bundler. So yeah, if you would like to see how to create module bundler in 3 hours, you can watch previously video on my channel. Okay, so how does it work? It gets package JSON from the current working directory, parse it and get into name author. Okay, Of course, it treats src index as the only entry point for rollup. Installation, just make it npm script rollup-lib-bundler. No configuration, consider it in future. Okay, so probably I understand what happened. Want to contribute, exactly. If you have a bug on idea, read contribution guidelines. Okay, so author prepare a special file that we should read before contributing. So yeah, contributing, first of all, thanks for your effort. Yeah. Reporting an issue, proposing, okay, contributing code. This is my my section because I would like to put my effort to create some code. So if you want to contribute code, this is to this package, you should do it via pull request, of course. First of all, fork this repo and create T number branch where number is a number of issue you would like you are going to fix. Okay, write to your code and commit to your branch. Ensure that everything is working by writing some tests and building the package via npm run build. Okay, if you are changing some existing methods or adding new ones, remember about updating API docs, of course. If everything works fine, you can create a new pull request and relax, waiting for merge. Yeah, okie dokie. So I understand how to create, how workflow looks like. So what we have, do we have any issues? Okay, so we have 5 issues. So 1 is a bug and 4 is feature issues. So I will open every issue and read and choose the smallest because we have about 30 or 40 minutes to left that we should that I can spend for that. Okay, so first issue is a bug. Currently there can be some unhandled promise rejections. Wow. Currently, they can be some unhandled promise rejections. I don't know. So they are rejections into code, or maybe I will clone this repo. Yeah, in new tab, cloning. I don't have alias for cloning because clone it's not popular. That it's not the same popular. It's I don't use git clone more often than other commands. So yeah, I always use this construction. Okay. So here I will open editor and I will install dependencies. What we have in editor, maybe I will switch theme to default. Okay. Okay, so at the beginning we have bundle file. Okay, bundle is bundler. It's probably the main file that is defined in package JSON. Where is the main? No main, but bin. Yeah, bin. So this is RBL. So this is an acronym of rollup-lib-bundler, and this is path to binary file. So here we have a binary file, and binary file require a dist rollup lib and so on, and run bundle function. Okay, so probably we should know, or maybe we should yeah, we should open the main file of this project. Where is the main file? How it looks in building. It's RBL. Okay. So yeah, where is the definition of main file? probably, I don't know that this is a main file or index. Probably no, probably index is the main file, as usually is. And here we have a default function which return the same what is returned by bundler. And here we put content of package JSON. Okay. So yeah, here my editor helped me and define what is inside this variable. Okay, so yeah, metadata is a string, so load and parse a string, parse file. What happened here? Read file. Okay, so this is a sync API from FS module. Okay, here we have try to parse content. Okay, so this file should load only JSON files. When something will be wrong here, so JSON parse throw an error, so we catch this error and throw other error. So syntax given is not perceivable as a correct JSON. Okay. Okay, I understand this code. And here, what happened here? We have bundler function get rollup config. What happened here? This is a config of metadata generate banner. What does it mean banner? Yeah, okay. So this is a good pattern to create some comments, some, I don't know how to, this is some lines describing this tool when you run this tool from command line. So you can see that if you run this tool from command line at the beginning, or maybe this banner, it will be added to new file. Probably it will be, this is a purpose of this banner. Yeah, so here we have name of package, version of package, copyrights, okay, author, license, and so on. Okay, I understand. Here we convert common.js. Okay, so this is from package rollup plugin common.js. Okay, so here we use Babel for transpile. Okay, preset where we have presets. So this is a typical Babel presets, and target. This is a node target. Yeah, so our node version is 10. Okay. And Terser is the next plugin to, as far as I know, this is a tool for minify files and compress it. Yeah. Okay, what happened when I click? Nothing happened. Okay. Okay, and we generate some output things. Yeah. Okay, this is one file that I read. So bundle, generate, index, package, and targets. Okay, so this project is simple. Here we have some problems. Buffer is not assignable to string. Yeah, because read file sync returns a buffer. So yeah, probably the good tip will be when this content will be parsed to string before put this to JSON parse. And yeah, I probably, if I can, I don't know that I can, I would like to put this change to this project. So I fork this project that we have in contribution guidelines. So now I would like to create a branch. So I create a branch with number, but what kind of number I should use? I don't know, because this is not related with other current issues. So I create a new issue. So issue will be how to not fork, but convert buffer before parsing via JSON parse. Yeah, step to reproduce. Open file in editor. Read editor error. Expected result. Error doesn't see in editor. Actual error is occurred in editor. Other details. I use VS Code for that. Version package. I don't know what is the version of package. Browser, I don't know, and system, I don't know. Okay, so I submit this issue. So now we have a number of this issue. So this is 100 T 166. GCO. This is a shortcut for Git checkout. So here I can create a quick commit. So convert to string before parsing. First line we should be type. So what will be this type? So probably fix. What will be the scope? Scope, it's probably the file. So package parser, maybe parser. Start the lowercase. So yeah, this is Husky as a tool that we can create a hook. So if you can see that before I create a commit message, some kind of rules are used to check my commit message. Yeah, so now, okay. And now I would like to create, of course, I cannot create commit in author project, so I should update my my link to URL to origin. So one more time, I would like to push my local branch to my projects on my GitHub profile. And now I would like to create this pull request and fix description of proposed changes. Yeah, so convert to string before parsing. And this PR will close 166 issue, and you can see that GitHub help us and display in tooltip title of this issue. Yeah. So and now if this and here we have the same field. Okay. And if this pull request will close. Probably if this pull request will merge, automatically issue 166 will be closed because these issues are connected. So yeah. Okay, so I create this pull request, and you can see that now a lot of tests are going on. So I can close it. And go back to go back to other issues. Better error handling. I don't know what author means. What does mean better error handling? Yeah, this is hard to understand what doesn't mean because I don't know what happened in projects. I don't know what is a plan for this project, which is only defined in author head. So, okay, maybe next issue. Add support for importing JSON files to bundle. It's sometimes useful for getting info from package JSON. Okay, understand. Add support for bundling bin. Currently, only main module fields are being bundled, yet they are also bin one. It would be nice to support it as well. Okay. Research ECMAScript module support. Node 10 is coming with native support. Yeah, as far as I know, current version of Node, so it means it will be a 14 version. Yeah, I prepare on my blog section history. Sorry, this is a section and the whole page is in Polish, but here I can have a list of major of popular projects and dates when this project was changed. So here we have that Node.js version 14 was published 2 weeks ago, and as far as I know, as I remember, ECMAScript modules, they are no longer warning when using ECMAScript modules. However, ECMAScript implementation in Node remains experimental. Yeah, so please keep in mind that this implementation of ECMAScript module differs from developer experience you might be familiar with. The ECMAScript implementation in Node.js is still experimental, but yeah, so I find this sentence, ECMAScript implementation in Node.js is still experimental. Yeah, so you can see that that author 2 years ago said that put this comment that probably Node 10 will have native support of ECMAScript. Let's see if Airbell could support it out. I don't have any experience with MGS files, so yeah, I will close it. Support for generating type mappings. TypeScript allows to check types using JSDoc. Maybe it would be also possible to generate whole type definitions using JSDoc. It could be even 2 formats, TypeScript and Flow. Okay, yeah, it's a hard task, so I will close it and go back to for free task that we can choose. So yeah, I don't know, maybe this issue. So I would like to focus on importing JSON files to bundle. Okay, so yeah, at the beginning, probably the best way will be bundle this, run this project. Okay, what happened here? We have a lot of logs. FS is imported. Okay, it's imported. Okay, there something changed. Okay, so here we have 4 files, rollup-lib-bundler, and so on. Okay. But how to use this library? Okay, so probably I can use it when I create a new project, or maybe create tests. Yeah, test package. Okay, so we have test package here, and probably I can. Okay, I can enter. No, I can link this project. So I told you in previously episode that if you would like to install package, use this package, use some clone project as a package in your system, you can link this project to main node modules, node directory that we have, and this will be a symbolic link to this project. Yeah, so if anyone, if you would like to run, when you link this project, you have a symbolic link that you can run project as a typical regular command, but this command, it will be run this file, so this binary file. Yeah, so you can see that if I delete this directory and run command one more time, you can see that this directory doesn't exist. Yeah, so yeah, one more time I will like to build, and here I found that we have fixture test package project, and yeah, here I can run RBL to see what happened. Yeah, so ECMAScript 5 map and ECMAScript 2015 and map files are generated. So probably it's so now this is a source code. So this is a small function and code console log, and what will be result of bundling. So we have console log tests. So yeah, it works. Okay. Awesome. So probably here in this issue, so I will close other issues. So in this issue, it's a problem that we have a problem importing package JSON. So let me check package from package JSON. Yeah, we have this file here, and I would like to instead of test, I would like to run package JSON. Okay, okie dokie. So now we have a problem. Yeah, the problem is in path. Okay, and now we have a problem that unhandled promise rejection warning. So I'm waiting for that, that we have a problem. Okay, and what happened? What is the full error? Error unexpected token. Note that you need rollup plugin JSON to import JSON files. Okay, so I don't know how to use this plugin, so I would like to find it on npm project registry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I found it. Okay, so I should install this project and put here in plugins. Okay, so hello Cesare. Yeah, hello, hi. And we have author, so big applause for author Tomasz. Hi Tomasz. Today I focus on your project, and this project looks nice. So if I will be happy to help you. So yeah, at the beginning, I should install this project as a dependency. Okay, but not here, but here, or maybe this project is this project is not used, and so I will install as a dev dependency, or I don't know that this is okay. Dev dependency, or maybe typical dependency. Okay, doesn't matter for now. And what we have here. So here I should use this plugin, so JSON, and use this plugin here in plugins. But where? I don't know. Maybe this will be, maybe here. Happen. Okay. I use 2 tabs. So I should. This is a typical problem in projects, open source project, that anyone could have a different spaces. How to change spaces to tabs, insert spaces. Okay. Okay, so yeah, one more time. You can see that now I use tabs. Okay, and yeah, maybe I would like to open new terminal and enter to this project and run RBL one more time. Okay, what happened? Now that use plugin JSON to import JSON files. It's strange. So it means that this project doesn't run. I do something bad. Compact. Yeah, we have a lot of options. Package from package. JSON is a function. Okay, so maybe I will try to display this JSON. This is a function. I don't know. Oh, probably I don't build. Yeah, I don't build project, so I have old version. Yeah, one more time, RLB, sorry. Yeah, and it works. So here we have our log. Yeah, and we don't have any errors. So probably it works. When we are happy that project works, the next thing, it will be creating pull request. No, it will be writing tests. Okay, so I would like to write test. Do we have any convention where we should define this plugin? I don't see, so maybe, I don't know, maybe after, not after, maybe before Bible, or probably doesn't matter. Yeah, one more time I will build project because I deleted console log. And where is the tests? Tests are here. So what I changed? I changed, of course, bin bundler. What is the change in? Okay. So I changed the mode. Probably my editor automatically change file mode. So yeah, it will be probably hard to. Not editor, but when I link this project via npm, so the file should be changed to executive. Yeah, so probably now when I run, yeah, it's exactly, it doesn't work now because this file it has different file modes. So probably it will be nice to create a new pull request where I change only this. But probably we have an author on live stream. Tomasz, what is your idea to create a new pull request for this change, or can I merge this change with my solution of JSON problem? I don't know that Tomasz is still with us. Okay, if not, I will create a new, because this is a typical way how to create how to be an open sourcer. Yeah, so you can create an issue and now you can create a pull request and so on. So yeah, what is the problem? Change bin binary file has 160 mode. Yeah, so how to reproduce npm link git status. To be honest, I don't see why the mode is changed at all. I don't see why, because this file you can see that this file This file has 644 and is changed to 755 probably because npm link changed this file to 755. I don't know why exactly 755, because when we have where is the bin? When we have previously, yeah, because this file previously doesn't help us in this file cannot be executed, yeah, because this file don't have execution mode. So here this is an X that was added to every group, yeah. So here we have 3 groups for author, for people from your group, and for others. Yeah, so any group is updated to 55, so 755. So execution it's here. Okay, and ls minus all expected result file should be should have execute mode. I don't know what is the proper name. A mode execute file execute mode file permissions, and here execute probably, yeah, execute, write and read. So yeah, execute it will be the best name. Actually result file has mode 744. Expected file should have 755. Okay, other details and so on. So how it will be? How it will? Tomasz asked. So how has it been working all these years? I don't know, Tomasz. I don't know. Maybe when you publish projects on npm, I don't know. You update this file on the fly. Yeah. Okay, so here I can create a new branch because I am here on master, and I create a new branch. So gcob probably is 178. And one more time, npm link. And I will only commit, I will only commit bin bundler file. And here I can fix bundler update mode to 755. Okay, yeah. On first attempt, I commit. So now I should create a pull request. So yeah, I had creating a pull request. Where is this pull request? 60. Yeah, update bin bundler to fixes 177. No, 176. No. What is the number? 78. Description of proposed change. Change file mode to 755 from 644. Yeah. Okay. So probably. And now, of course, tests are executed on continuous integration servers. And we can close this issue, close this tab, not the issue, and go back to where is our issue? Here is our issue, and of course we go back to master, and in master we should go back and write some tests. So if you modify, so yeah, exactly, I should check what file I changed. So I change package lock and package JSON. Why? Because I install, so I can create a revision. Of course, I should create a branch before. Branch will be 155. So here I can create a commit, create a branch. So gco P155, and here I can create a commit only with package. So I don't know, core depths, and here update, no, install. What is the name of this plugin? Plugin, I don't know. Where is this plugin? JSON. Yeah, here. Probably it will be better that we have this plugin here, because other plugins are here. Yeah, and order it will be that. So Babel, rollup. Okay, so this is the name of plugin. Install, yeah. Okay, and other files. So I describe this test. So probably this test should look like before. So I will be revert changes. Okay. And now you can see that I only change one file. So how many tests, or what will be the test that I should update? Of course, test with the same name. So bundler, yeah. In my case, in my opinion, name of this name of strategy to define tests should look like that we have a spec suffix on at the end. So yeah, probably that will be the better name of a spec file, because when we have open two files, spec and don't spec, and implementation, you can see that after name you can see that we have file from spec and file which is spec and file which is implementation. But I don't change this in, of course, this pull request. And here you can see that we have bundle.js and bundle.js. Yeah, here we have information that this file is from tests and this file is from SRC. But yeah, this is only my opinion. Okie dokie. So okay, so when I close one file, information what is the file was closed, so was hide. So I don't know this is an implementation or this is the spec file. So maybe I will open this file one more time and create side-by-side layout. And how to write a test. Okay, so yeah, we can create test package. Okay, so probably the best way will be spec or test. Spec, because a few years ago I used test suffix, but test means that this file could be a test file, not have a specs from unit test word, but this is a testing file, test. So this is a file that you should ignore to creating a revision, upcoming revision. Yeah, so spec is the proper name for me, of course. Yeah, probably the best way will be to create a new package. I don't know that's author will accept that, but for me the best way will be to create a JSON package and here src and index JS file, and of course I create package JSON, or maybe I will copy this package JSON from different directory. Test package, yeah, is the best name. Commandeer, of course. Maybe I can add myself. I don't know that it's author that author approved that, but maybe team template project, and yeah, I have small template for that. I use the long version. Yeah, something like that. Okay. So go back, and here on index, I would like to import this package from higher package.json. And what happened here? I don't know. Create a console log simply. Okay, so I will create a console log with package author name. Yeah, and it should be Piotr Kowalski. So how to write a test for that? Or probably it will be harder. Yeah, where we have a test. I can close implementation. So yeah, before test package, yeah. How to switch to different package? Probably I should create a new describe bundler, or maybe I can JSON package. I can do that. Yeah. Maybe at the beginning would be better that I would like to test that it works, because maybe it doesn't work. I don't know. RLB, RBL. No. One more time. What happened? Because yeah, I'm in strange directory. Not here, but here. One more time. Yeah, you know, we spent 1 hour and 10 minutes, but the last thing, and we finished the whole live streaming. Yeah, I would like to create a unit test and create a pull request, and that's all. Yeah, so give me a few minutes. Yeah, so here, one more time, LLB. Yeah, and now this S26. Yeah, it works. Okay, so I go back. And how can I create how can I create a test for that? So probably bundles. No, it will be the worst thing that I can create. So I cannot. I should copy that, and the bundler. Probably the better name will be test package. Here and here. Oh, this is a long suit, and here I can define a new describe, and with JSON package prefix. Here JSON. I love multi-cursors. Okay, and one it. Passcode should be how to create the it. Okay, exactly. Like that. So what is exactly an issue? 155. So it should load JSON file. Yeah. So now I console logs bundler. What is the config? Okay, so here we have a config. So probably I should rename this to bundler test package. I'm sorry that I changed a lot, but yeah, probably I can create a factory to to put only name. Okay, this is my fast idea, so probably you doesn't understand. Yeah, I create factory, so instead of using an object, you can create a function that returns an object, so you can parameterize this function. So here we have a direct package name, and I will use this package name, and of course default will be this string, and I will use okay, so I will replace this strange, this not strange but typical string. Okay, and here I can use interpolation to update an object. Okay, what happened here? Expected block statement surrounding arrow. Okay, sorry for that. Return, of course. Yeah. What happened? Space. Okay, sorry. One more thing, where we use package bundler config. Okay, so we use here, we use here. One more time, one thing, it's here, and probably the last one will be here. Not here is the last one. Yeah. And now I can use this not here, but of course in my describe. This is my describe. Bundler JSON package here, yeah, and here I can parameterize this function and put, of course, after rounding spaces, JSON package, then console restore and console spy. Here we can check that it should run once, and I don't know that we can check that call with arguments or with new, with message, with exactly. Piotr Kowalski. Yeah, probably author doesn't accept that, but to be true. Yeah, to be true. Okay, if it works, I will drink a beer. Okay, how to run tests? And param run test. Okay, it doesn't work, so yeah. Okay, spaces. Here we should add space. Tests are going. No, probably it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. What happened here? But this is not my code. This is not my test. Where is my test? Here is my test. Incorrect. Passes the code through specific plugins in correct order. Okay, so probably what happened here? Okay. Here we have. Okay, so we have here a special test for testing orders. Okay. So yeah. Here I should update this because I add new plugin, I don't know where exactly, before Babel. Okay, so here Babel, here JSON, and how to create a Babel. Exactly, so here I can create a JSON stub. How to use this stub. Okay, here I can create this stub, and here rollup, JSON rollup plugin. I don't know what is the name. Where is my plugin? My plugin JSON. Okie dokie. Okay, one more thing, one more time. I will run tests. Okay, so now we have the same problem. Passes code through the correct order. rollup common Babel, call it twice. So yeah, here we should use JSON stub, call it twice, probably. I don't know why, twice. Here we should update Babel to, probably this test doesn't make sense because it checks implementation, and I don't know that maybe in future we should update this tests. Yeah, plugins, length of 4, of course. Okay, one more time. If you like this live streaming, please add a like. Thanks. Okay, so we can go back to our test. Should load JSON file. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I don't know why. Bundler config, yeah, console spy restore. Okay, understand. Call it with, count with. Okay. Expected false to be true. Okay, so maybe I will comment this out and would like to see what will be printed in console. Okay, doesn't work. So it don't print in console. Sad. Why? I don't know. I would like to see what happened before. So yeah, this is where is the issue that I used to copy? Where is an issue? This issue? Oh, you told me that I removed something instead of copying? No. Spy, bundler, yeah, where is this code? Okay, so here, do not epic warning about deprecation options. Okay. So what will be when I close this, when I comment out this restored? So we can saw warnings in report of Mocha. No, we don't see any reports. It's sad. And in any warnings. Okay, so I don't know that this bundler run my code or no. I don't know. Bundler metadata, what happened here? Bundler rollup plugin. So yeah, what happened? What is the result of bundler? Promise all, right here, output. So yeah, I would like to check that if we have Piotr Kowalski in different places. No. Maybe I will disable this test. This is the previous test, and I would like run test one more time. I don't know, maybe this test doesn't work. Piotr Kowalski, it should works. It should works. 0. 0, 0. I use console.log. Console.log. What we have in JSON package dist RLB. So do we have console log a name Piotr Kowalski? Yeah. Oh, I don't know that this is. I don't know that if this project bundle doesn't run bundle code, so it shouldn't. Okay, thanks, Tomasz. Exactly. So yeah, so now we have a problem. How to check that this bundle works properly? Maybe I can open a file and check the content? No. Yes, exactly. Because here we have something like that. So we can read the file because this file, it will be deleted after tests. So yeah, awesome. And I can run this code. Okay, I will try. I don't know that this is a perfect solution, but I will try. So here I should run bundle from test package, from JSON package, of course, JSON package. Okay, and here I should console.log because I don't know what we have here. Okay, sorry, here. Whoa, I have a lot of errors. Yeah. So probably the best way will be automatically run fix no console disable for this file. Yeah. Test bundler no console. Where we have console? Probably in different place. So I can put this rule after that. So I can put the slint disable slint disable here and put it at the beginning of file. Oh Jesus, yeah, something like that. Tomasz, help me just check if there are errors. So if anything is a console with unexpected token. It's if there are no errors, it doesn't mean that it works because maybe it's maybe it prints some string that it's not proper. Yeah, so probably the better will be to check exactly that this console log runs with something. Okay, so what we have this here, version file source content. Okay, source content, but not the mappings. Yeah, it's doesn't work. Yeah. So because this is a map. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. So what happened when I read the content? I know what should happen. So this is not map, but code as 5. Code as 5. Yeah. Exactly. And after run, maybe I can spy So here I can run this code. I can test it. And here, of course, I can parameterize, so I should create a function for that. Yeah, I will create a function. Test execution. And here I can put content file. I will put this, not content file, but file name. File path. Doesn't matter. What is the name of this function? I forgot. Test execution. Yeah. And I will run one and run twice. Second. Of course. Call. Why? Because this is content. So of course. Yeah, evil. Probably it will be the worst thing that I write on the first open source day, but probably it works. Yay, it works. It works. So now I will break this test and run one more time. Yeah. And you can see that this test failed. Yeah, here. So, okay. Yeah, so for me, it works. I don't know that it will be acceptable from author perspective, but I can create a comment. I'm so sorry. Yeah, and that's all. So now I will. What happened here? Git add e file first revert 3. First. Okay. Okay, what happened here? What happened in rollup plugin terser? I don't know what I changed. I don't know. Packages, package. I add this to stage, so I should revert. First one, second one. Yeah. Okay, and now. Okay, one more thing. Here we have something like package log JSON. Probably it is useless. And now the last thing before commit, we should check that everything it works. Yeah, probably this console log should be deleted from the first lines. Fabric bundler test package here. Yeah, okay, it works. Bundler JSON package, yeah, it works. JSON package, yeah, probably it works. Okay, so now I can create last commit for today. So feature, it will be bundler, support JSON files. Awesome. Oh, I create a commit on not on. Yeah, no, it is on proper branch. Yeah, 154, 55. Yeah. It's numbers are hard to me, so you know. Okay, we go back and we create a pull request. the third pull request for today. So here, what we change, we add, we have a problem with indentation in Terser. So yeah, I should open this file and update that we should have 4 spaces instead of tab. So this is a maintain. So fix package indentation indentation. Go back, and here we can create pull request support JSON files. It will be 155 description of proposed change. Use, what is the name of this plugin? rollup-plugin-json. rollup-plugin-json to support JSON files. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, the last one, of course, we should wait for status of continuous integration. Okay, but of course we will not waiting for this status. Here on the live stream, you can see that when you create a pull request which has a reference to issue, that GitHub automatically create this commit, not commit but message. So yeah, this is a nice thing to have a project on GitHub, because GitHub offers you a lot of tools, a lot of possibilities to support maintainers and anyone who would like to use projects and create features, and who would like to read stories in issues and or pull requests and so on. So here we have at the end we have 3 pull requests that they are created today, and yeah, I would like to finish for now, because 1 hour remains, 1 hour and 40 minutes remains. So thanks a lot. Oh, my throat. Thanks a lot. I'm sorry. Thanks a lot for your I forgot words, for your attendees, for your attendance, appearance, that you are here. Thanks a lot. See you on next open source days, on next week, on Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, of course, Tuesday. I'm sorry, Tuesday. Thanks, and good night.